Welcome to the third session of the today's lecture, and now we will learn about a matrix crossover. In today's lecture we are learning about the crossover operator, and I have already discussed about the single point crossover, two point crossover, the multi-point crossover and the uniform crossover. The last we are learning is our matrix crossover. In a single dimension, the strings are represented as a single dimensional array. Here we have the string 1, or you can say that the parent 1 and the parent 2, and the strings are represented in the form of 0 and 1, and they are in the single dimensional array. But in the case of a matrix crossover, here we represent each individual as a two-dimensional array of vector. So what previously हमने जितने भी क्रॉसओवर ऑपरेटर देखा है वहां पे हमने पेरेंट्स को या स्ट्रिंग को सिंगल डायमेंशन की तरह रिप्रेजेंट किया था. दैट इज अ वन डायमेंशन. बट इन द केस ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स क्रॉसओवर, हियर वी रिप्रेजेंट द string in the, or we will represent the individual in the two-dimensional array of vector. Now let's see what happens in the matrix crossover. Here in matrix crossover, as we have represented the individuals in the form of a two-dimensional array, so two random sides, cross sides along the row and the column are chosen. We have to select the two cross sides along the row and the column, and the string is divided into non-overlapping rectangular regions. Now the two cross sides, both the row and the column wise, will decide each individual into three layers which will be arranged horizontally and the vertically. Now select any region in each layer, either vertically or horizontally, and exchange the information in that region between the matted population. So how, in this way, the matrix crossover takes place to produce the new offspring. So let's see the example. Here we have represented the individual in the form of a two-dimensional vector or a two-dimensional array. This is the parent 1, and I have put this here in order to show that this is the parent 2. Now we have to randomly select the two cross sides along the row and the column. We have to select the two cross sides along the row and the column. And now the material will be exchanged alternatively. How the genetic material will be exchanged? If here, if we are taking the parent 2, then after that we will take the parent 1, and again we will take the parent 2. Similarly we have to do in the column wise also. If we are taking the parent 2, then we have to take the parent 1 and the parent 2. So how it is written? Parent 2, parent 1, parent 2, parent 1, parent 2, parent 1, parent 2, parent 1, parent 2. So alternatively we have to arrange the rectangular region. Similarly for the child 2, what we will see here, again we have to arrange the genetic material in the alternate way. Here if we are taking the parent 1, then parent 2, and then again parent 1, and in the column wise also we have to do we have to arrange the genetic material in the alternate way. So here if it will be 1, then we will make it 2, then 1, and here it was 2, 1, 2, it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the genetic material will be exchanged in an alternate way between the rectangular boxes. So in this way the child 1 and child 2 will be produced using a matrix crossover. So this is all about the crossover operator. Now we have learned that after applying the selection operator, how the offspring will be produced using the different crossover operator. Thank you.